Alright, so we're just gonna get right into this video. I don't want to do too much talking because at the end of the day you came to this video to solely see if you want to spend your money on this wig or not. So this is a company, Fashion Plus Hair, and it comes in this cute little purse, which I really like. You know, it's not a Birkin, but it's working, so I like that. Very cute packaging. Everything came very neatly packaged. The wig itself is in this plastic bag, and it just has the length, which they sent me an 18-inch straight wig, and then it also comes with headbands because this is a headband wig. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 headbands, and 2 of them are the same. The 2 that are the same are these smiley face ones, really cute, and then there's a dark blue one with flowers on it, like a tropical one with flowers on it, and then there's like this, I don't know what pattern this is, so we're just gonna say that it's pink, blue, and dark blue. So super cute. I like that. So you don't have to spend money on headbands if you don't want to just wear the black headband that the wig itself comes with. So like I said, everything was very neatly packaged. The wig was inside this plastic bag, which was inside of this bag, and then they also have a netting around the wig and tissue paper inside. So this is just going to be a really quick video of me just installing the wig and just giving you guys my first-hand opinion on it. So I'm going to just put a little wig cap on so I can be nice and bald. Got my little bun in the back. Cute, cute. And this wig does come with clips, so that way it's more secure. So like a regular wig, its construction is pretty much the same. The only thing different is that you don't have a lace front in the front. So it's a really well constructed wig, firsthand looking at it. The only thing that I do notice is that it's a bit thin, but I guess, I don't know if it's because it's shorter, like I guess that's expected, but you know, for the price that this wig was, it's really not bad. It feels really good. So yeah, let's just pop this baby on. That was extremely easy, so I'm just brushing through the hair now just because it looks a little wild. I just want to calm it down. This wig is very soft. Like I said, the quality is really good, especially for the price. Like, I think this is pretty much what I would expect for something that was this price, which isn't bad at all. I mean, like I said, the only problem that I really have is the density. This is without it being straightened or anything. So yeah, this is what it looks like I said. So I'm gonna just do a little clip with no sound just so y'all can see it. Alright, so as you can tell, the wig has really good movement. I really do like that you can't even see the bun that I have in the back, which is really nice. It just makes it so much quicker and easier to do your hair. Like, if you don't really want to do much with your hair, you don't feel like doing your hair underneath the wig, or you just don't have the time to be doing a whole lace front because those take so much time. So, you know, you can still get that look without having the frontal, and then you just have the headband here. So I'm gonna go ahead and style it, and then I'll be back to show you guys the headbands. Alright, so as you can see, I went ahead and added some curls just because I felt like it needed a little oomph to it. With the length that it is, I feel like it's really natural. This actually closely resembles my natural hair because my hair is pretty much this length and it looks like this when I straighten it. So I really like that, you know, if I don't feel like putting heat on my hair, this is a really great alternative. It looks super cute and a half up, half down, you know. I really like this hairstyle. And I actually don't think it looks bad with the black headband, so I think it's super cute. So now I'm gonna just show you guys the headband just in case y'all are curious, you know. So I'll go ahead and put these on and show you guys real quick. Alright, so that was all the headbands and the wig. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like I said, I really liked it with the black headband, so I decided to just close this off without any of the headbands. But you know, if you guys like the ones, like if you decide to order the wig and you like them, then you wear them. But I'm just more of like, not a plain Jane, but I just like simple, like neutral colors, I guess. So I'm not really like a color person, so I just like the black headband. Like I think it just looks nice and sleek, simple and natural. So yeah, that's all for this video. The only thing, like I said, that I have with this wig is just I wish it was a little bit thicker. It didn't say what the density was, but I feel like this is maybe like 130, maybe 150. I know there's typically 130, 150, 180, and then 250, I believe. And I'm thinking this is probably like 130, but again, it is a headband wig, so there's not really a frontal. It's just not really like your typical wig construction, so I do understand that. But I think for the length that this is, you can get away with it. Like, it looks really nice once I curled it, so it works. And like I said, the price is popping. Like, I'm pretty sure this was only like maybe 70 bucks, and I know these typically go for like over $100, so I feel like this company on Amazon is a pretty good deal. So that is it for this video. As I said, if you enjoyed this video, which I hope you did, please make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Make sure you stay blessed, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.